Today's lesson is lesson 11.4, Algebra, Relating Tables to Ordered Pairs. Yesterday we started working on ordered pairs, coordinates, x-axes, y-axes, x-coordinates, y-coordinates. We learned a bunch of new vocabulary. If by chance you did not complete yesterday's lesson, then I highly recommend that you go back and you watch the videos and you complete the lesson from yesterday before working on today's lesson. Today's lesson is an extension of that, where we're going to find our ordered pair and we're going to put that in a table, or we're going to take information from a table and put it on and put the ordered pair together, and maybe even plot it on a graph, on a graph paper. Yes. So what we're going to do, let's just really quickly do a quick review. When we look at an ordered pair, we're going to put things in parentheses where we have an X number and a Y number with parentheses surrounding and then a comma in between the two different numbers. You can see this bottom line is our X line and our line that goes up and down is our Y line. That's just the designation for those. It is pretty common. You'll use this throughout math over the next several years. So we're going to find out where each one of these points are. We're going to write the letter A, and we will put our ordered pair in a set of parentheses. So we're going to find the first one, A. First number is our x-axis number. So x-axis is down here. So we look at the A, we go straight down, and we find that the first number is on a 1. And then we look over, and we have to go back to that point, and we look to our left to the number line going up and down, and we see another number 1 there. So the ordered pair where A is at is 1, 1. B, we find, if we go to this letter B, we go straight on down, and we see that the first number is a 3. That's on the x-axis. We go back up to the B, and we go straight over to the left, and we find that it is an ordered pair where the numbers are 3 and 3. Ordered pair for letter C, is find that first dot, or that dot, and go straight down. We have 1, comma, and then the second number is 5. 1, 5. And lastly, D. D we will find right here where we go across 6 and back to that point, go straight across, and 3. We're going to create a new point. We're going to call this point E. We're just going to use that next letter in the alphabet. And we're going to say that E is going to be found we'll say 7, comma, 2. And where would we find these two? This point. This point right here is like looking at a map. We have number 7 and number 2 that helps us identify the location on our map. So we find first the x-axis, 7. We go straight across till we find the number 7. I'm going to go ahead and put a dot there. That'll help me out a little bit. And then we're going to look for number 2. So from 2, I'm going to just go up 1, 2 lines marked by number, and then I'm going to just double check. If I go all the way across to the left, I should be on 2. Let's do one more where we look at F. And F is going to be found at 0, comma, 4. That's our point that we're going to look at for where F is. 0 is still a number that we have to deal with. 0 happens to be the number where the x-axis is located. Our origin point is 0, 0. So we're going to be along this line right here. And then it says 0. Oh, wait, excuse me. 0, and 4. So we go up like this. We're found right here at 0, and then we go up to number 4. So our point is going to be found at 0, 4, right there, and we better label it F.